Hello my friends. Even for a long time I'm watching the Instagram profile Matieres Fecales or Fecal Matters, and I'm in love with artist model Hannah Rose. When I see for first time her pinky Barbie outfit, I decided to create a mini Hanna. I chose Draculaura for this project because I think they both have the same shape of face, and I think Hannah gonna love vampires ears. As I learned from Delightful to the video with Embryon, thank you Catherine, I'm gonna change her skin tone to a humanly color using MSC and pastel. I'm still working her skin tone for a while, but what I'm wondering about is how I'm gonna make her look like bald. First, I tried to cover it with alcohol glue. And when it's dry, I try to fix the skin tone with the same method with body, but it didn't work. And my second try was to clean again the head with acetone and after to paint it with nude acrylic. And as you can imagine, that didn't work. So I left the bone theme for a while and I started the repaint. I sprayed her face 3 times with MSC and I started to work with pastels. As long as I repainting, let me say a few words about Fecal Matters. Fecal Matter is a multi-disciplinary brand created in order to express uncensored ideas. The Fecal Matter world presents an alternative to restrictive beauty standards and offers the products that connect fashion, film, politics, music, and everything that's forbidden in order to promote critical thinking. Raj and Hannah Rose bonded over their passion for change and freedom of expression. In need of a platform to address their concerns about how the negative sides of fashion industry and its impact on society, they launched the brand and stabilized it in January 2016. The intention behind the brand name comes from our interpretation of cycle of conception and how valueless the fashion industry can be. I just finished her repaint, and I'm starting working with self-dry clay from Darwin, and I cover her head. When the clay is dry, I start to paint it with nude acrylic. And I finished here using pastels method and MSC. Let's get started the outfit. Obsessing again her outfit, I'm starting with fair. I cut a piece of fur and I'm starting to sew both sides of the piece, and I left a small hole in the middle, like the same method I made at Kerberos Bolero. I'm troubled how to make Hannah's boots with Nordaka the Hannah shape, but Darwin is my best partner. So I'm starting to sculpting into Hannah's feet a shape like her boots. When they dry, I start to make this smooth with a nail file. And I paint them with the same color with fur. When acrylic color is dry, I'm finishing the covering with transparent glue. The next accessory that I wanna make is her bag. I'm gonna use Iris Huntington bag, whereupon I made Snow Queen at Christmas project. I'm gonna cut those things and I paint it with the same color I paint her boots. I made at the front side 2 holes with a plier, and I put a metal hoop with a chain passed on it into the hole. I made the same with the back side. I didn't felt contented with the final look, so I add to the front side of chain a hook. And I paint the buckle silver as I can see to the picture. I start to create the dress using an old pattern. I cut those 2 pieces. I sew they. When I watched Moonlight Jewel, I borrowed that trick with a logo stick below. Thank you, Elisa! I can find feathers near to the tone with all my other accessories, so I decided to make a mix with 2 colors. I'm gonna glue 3 layers into one. And I glue it a dress. Hannah's hair are always glued extension on her head, so that's I will do. I will start the decoration of dress with the connection between bra and neck. I sew a hook to each side of bra. And I created a choker off camera with all the accessories, and I will trust to her neck. I hook hooks to hoop and I wear her fur. And I will keep working dress decoration. And I'm starting with the first place. I sew the first one and I sew another one to a cross side and I hook they to a hoop. With that method I continue to the second line, third line, and I finish the design of dress. I sew her fur and feathers. I cut her hair. I use two pins with silver heads to peg hooks to her cheeks. I pass the wire into the hooks. I twist it around her ears. And I cut the rest. And Hannah is ready. Matthias Fecales is one of my favorite Instagram profile. I love their artwork, and I think you have to follow them. So, if you like my artwork, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can find me on Instagram, characters.factory. See you all again, and take care, my friends. Bye bye.